This video is for everyone where Amazon is not the main platform. When you go to the edit, your important window is not this one, it's this one, the global one, where you can enter title, description, keywords, and also these settings. These will define the template that is loaded at the upload process. We come to this a little bit later, but no worries, I'll show you in a moment how you should pre-configure this. And you can see here, this is for all the global platforms like Redbubble, like Spreadshirt, like Society6, and so on. What you should do here is you can go here to your settings and to general, and then you define here your main language. If it's English, you can simply leave it as it is. And in the edit languages, for example, if you want to translate into German or Spanish for some platforms, you can add here up to 3 edit languages with your main language English, so 4. And also what you should do is you should enable this option, cut overlay, and decide here the max characters for your global title and your global description. I stick with 50 and 200, that's the Spreadshirt standards, and with these standards I can also upload to TeePublic, Redbubble, and I think nearly all other global platforms if I'm not wrong. And then click Save Changes, and then you can go to the design management or to the edit, doesn't matter, and then you select the designs you want to list. We take these ones because they're gray, so no listing, and then we go to edit designs. And you can also see now that this here has changed, so now we also have the German, French and Spanish language here. What I want to show you is English is your main language, so if you change a design, it will always jump to the English language because it is main. And then you can write your listing here, the title, and then also your description. And of course also the keywords. You have here, for example, a keyword workbench, and this is a keyword finder that is in the Pro package, but I show you also these options in the next video probably, where we go over all the tips and tricks you have here. So in this case we just write our keywords up to 50, and then if you have done this, you have to configure here your types and your colors. As I mentioned, this is for your settings during the upload, that the right template is chosen for Redbubble. You have probably no idea what I'm talking about, so we come to this later. All you should decide here is simply, is this design for men? Yes. Is this design for women? Yes. Is this design for kids? Yes. And then for the color, is it better looking on a black background or a white background? In this case, probably a black one. And this is what you have to do. You have to do nothing else at the moment. This is just for your listing. And then you see here, icon is created, design with listing. If we go back to the edit, you can also see it here. It's orange now, and also the title is shown here. And this is everything you have to know. This is your finished listing, and this would be ready to upload.